Hello everyone, this is question 5 on paper 1 from Edexcel from 2022, and we've got a quadratic kind of modelling question. So in fact it's just a modelling question. It's a linear modelling question actually, modelling with straight lines. So it says the height h meters of a tree t years after being planted is modelled by the equation h squared equals at plus b, where t is less than 25 but greater than or equal to 0, where a and b are constants. Given that the height of the tree was 2.6 meters exactly 2 years after being planted, and that the height of the tree was 5.1 meters exactly 10 years after being planted, find a complete equation for the model giving the values of a and b to 3 significant figures. So the thing we need to do is to sub in the 2 pieces of information in order to generate a pair of simultaneous equations. So firstly, we're told that the tree is at a height of 2.6 meters when t is 2. So we sub that in, the height squared is equal to 2 times a plus b. So that gives us our first equation. Then we sub in the second piece of information, which is that the tree has a height of 5.1 meters, 5.10 meters, 10 years later. So we sub that information in to get a second equation. There it is. So we've now got a pair of simultaneous equations, and it looks to me like we can just do equation, what I've called equation 2, take away equation 1 is going to eliminate the b straight away. So when we do equation 2, take away equation 1, that gives us 19.25 is equal to 8a. So therefore a is equal to 19.25 divided by 8, which is 2.406. So to 3 significant figures, a is 2.41. Let's now sub that value of a back in to work out what b is. I've used a slightly more accurate version again, the 2.406, but 6.46 is equal to 2 times 2.406. So that's just simply subbing in to the first equation here. Okay, that's fine, plus b. So therefore we can see that what we have got is that b turns out to be 1.95 to 3 significant figures. So that gives us our complete equation, and that's a really, really nice 4 marks. So we just subbed in the information to generate a pair of simultaneous equations, and then we solve them. Now, the next bit, it says given that the height of the tree was 7 meters exactly 20 years after being planted, evaluate the model, 2 marks. So for this, all we need to do is just see what our model gives us when t is equal to 20. So we now know our a is 2.41, our b is 1.95. Value of t in this case is 20 because it's 20 years. So we work that out and we find out we get a height of 7.08, which is pretty close to 7. So we're going to say that it is a good model. It's an appropriate model to use. Hope you found that helpful. I'll see you in the next video.